Aye? What do you want?
Hello, sir. I'm from the UK Heritage Society and I'm conducting a survey. Would it be okay to ask you a few questions?
Aye, alright.
Can I ask where you were born?
Where was I born? Just down there at the bottom of the hill there.
Okay, and how long have you lived in the area?
How long have I been here? I'm alive. Aye, I'm alive.
Perfect. Okay. Now, what does the northeast of Scotland mean to you?
What does the northeast of Scotland mean to me? Well, I've heard some folks say Aberdeen is dull. And when the weather's bad, when you've got a sea, a sky and all the buildings the exact same shade of grey, it can seem a bit dreich right enough. But on a good days, there's no a place in the world like it. When the sun hits the granite just right, and the whole city sparkles like a diamond. When you're at Pittodrie and the goals are flying in! Or when they aren't, and you mind how a stadium got its name. When you can see the northern lights, and it seems like a universe is letting you in on a secret. Or when you can't see a thing, but it still feels worth it. It's no just a place though, it's a people. It's every loon, every quine, every wifey, every manny. It's every fit like, every neighbour yourself. That's fit marks Aberdeen. It's that language it says, whether you're a Chukter or whether you're a Toonser. It doesn't matter if you're a complete stranger. It says you're hame. I've even got a place in my heart for the scurries. A tougher, mair canny bird you willna find ony way on earth. It's no just my hame tune. It's my way of life. It's all the thoughts in my head and all the words out my mouth. It's poetry and it's magic, and there's no other place like it. It's just for a bide. Can what I mean? Cheerio up.